Okay. So, let's see what I have here. Okay, this thing is called Fireworks. This is like 12 pieces that are all interlocked.
Wow.
Designed by Yami Yamauchi.
Wow.
You can wear it like a bracelet. This box is a pretty clever design by Angel Blanco. You see the lid? To open it, you just pull straight up.
Whoa!
Bless you. And your mommy too. Okay, and if you want to close it, you just push it straight down. See that? So that's a pretty clever design. And it's fun. This is a 3-piece spinner. Yeah, something that maybe we could do later. Okay, this is called a polypolygon. Bless you, gazoon type. So it's kind of a cheat because it uses a rubber band, so it's not just pure paper folding. It just kind of jumps.
It's just like one big robot.
Okay, this I saw on YouTube. It's about 64 pieces or so, and it's all just interlocked pieces.
It's like one of those balls that goes into the
This is called the Double Star Flexi Cube, designed by David Burl. And our friend Joe Hamamoto folded this one. Okay, this is another Flexi Cube. This is all from one piece of paper.
That's a piece of paper. It looks like.
Yep, it's just one piece. No cutting. Just one long. Nope. Just one long strip. It is a little crazy. See what else I have. Oh, okay. So this is one piece of paper. He's called the pooper. You want to know why? Yeah. It's all one sheet of paper, including the poo. This is designed by Ron Coe in Singapore.
You know which one to bring over this time.
You should get the reaction. Okay.
You want to scoot your chair over into the shade?
Okay, this is a little cute design. It barks. And something similar to that is this orange, what does it look like? Elephant. This one trumpets. Okay, this is a clever design by Valerie Mann. This is called the Magical Rose Cube. So it's no ordinary cube. When you tug on the walls and swivel out the green section, it transforms into a rose. It's like a little transformer. Okay, getting into a little bit more of the complex side. This is one sheet of paper.
Whoa. That's awesome. That is so cool.
Folded from a single square. This is by Satoshi Kamiya. Okay, this tarantula was designed by Robert Lane. All from a single square.
That is so cool. He's 11 now. I think I'm going to name him Jeffrey. That is so cool.
So one square sheet of paper. Now some other things that I like to fold with is money. Okay, this is a hexagonal box. And inside it's got a traditional money ring. And then I have a crane ring, so it's a traditional tsudu or crane married onto the modern American dollar bill. Okay, now, I don't know if you can all get a close-up view of this. This is a koi fish.
Oh, it's a koi boy. It's a koi boy.
And it takes about 2 hours to fold. This is designed by Juan Park, who lives in Hawaii.
That looks so cool. It takes about
Okay, does anyone happen to have a dollar, something not too brand new, not too beat up? Okay, show you something.
Is that okay? Is it crisp enough?
It's a little beat up, but I'll take it, thank you. Anyone else? It is actually a little bit too beat up. Is that better? Yeah, I like this. Okay, so what we're going to try to do with your dollar bill is we're going to bring it to life. Because I'm told that everything in this world has a spirit, including your money. So we are going to bring that spirit forth and transform this into a living, breathing dollar bill. It's terrifying, you said? What? A living, breathing dollar bill. Either figuratively or literally, you know, something in between maybe. Does anyone have any questions? No?
How much time do you spend on a typical present?
It depends on the complexity of the model. Some things can take days to do, and others maybe just less than a minute.
Is it sort of zen for you to do, or do you get stressed out?
Oh, this is giving me anxiety right here. I feel like I'm holding under pressure because I don't want to, you know, hold you guys up, and I don't want to make it look too boring. But I'm actually almost done. What's that?
Yes, to take your time so we can see how you fold it.
Oh, because you're trying to learn this? Okay. What does it kind of look like?
A butterfly.
Like a butterfly. Now, the beauty in this butterfly design will be in its ability to come to life. And the way we are going to bring it to life is by giving it the breath of life. So what I need you to do is I need you to blow on your dollar bill. And if you blow on it, perhaps it will in fact come to life. Okay, watch. Oh wait, you haven't had onions today, have you? No? Okay. Or garlic? All right, because we are trying to bring this to life.
Sorry, butterfly.
Okay. Watch very carefully. A little closer.
That is so cool.
So what is it about her breath that's making the wings move up and down?
No idea.
Do you want to try? You want to try?
I have deep pockets that the air momentum going up brings the wings up.
Okay, so then what if you blew from maybe the side?
Same right here.
Same
the
thing?
fold you made puts it up.
So it'll still move? Okay, how about from the back? Will it still move?
No problem. Thank you.
Yes, please. I think so.
Okay, try it.
He is alive.
So why does it do that when they blow on it?
Because it's alive.
Because it's alive. That would be the magical reason. Any logical reason on why the wings move up and down?
The logical reason was the magical reason.
Any other guesses as to why it moves when you blow on it?
It's the way you're holding it.
The way I'm holding it? Possibly. You want to try? Go ahead. You gonna slobber on it?
Oh, boy, it took off.
Burning. This one is eating.
So how does it do that? What does blowing on it have to do with it moving? So the attacking one.
Wait, I know.
What?
You're actually doing something when we blow on it, and our blow is not doing anything.
You know what? You possibly could be right that blowing on it has nothing at all to me moving it. So there's a lever there that I am pinching. It pulls tension out of the paper and causes the wings to flap. When I do it, obviously I don't want to do this, because then I'm moving it. So I try to give it that imperceptible squeeze and release. You can probably see my flexor muscle and tendons moving, so I need a long sleeve shirt on. Yes, good job. Very good. Another one, that was designed by a magician named Robert Neal, and he also designed this. What do magicians pull out of a magic hat? A rabbit. So, abracadabra, hocus pocus, and so it's a very clever mechanism. Squeezing it releases the bunny. Okay. It is pretty cool. Okay, so now I take it that all of you guys aren't here just to watch me demonstrate and show off. You guys want to fold something yourselves?
Yes.
Okay. In order for us to fold, I need you guys to understand a few things. In origami, as our sensei Yama Yamauchi used to tell us, all you need are 2 eyes, 2 ears,
2 hands.
2 hands, and not much of a mouth. We are going to first of all do an origami warm-up because I need to test your ability to focus, concentrate, and follow directions. So everyone is going to take one of these rectangular sheets of paper. I don't care that it's ugly, it's just you. It's just a simple it's a practice sheet.
Joe Grossman's.
Okay, if you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. Okay, I'm going to test your ability to focus and follow directions and pay attention. Watch.
Okay, guys.
You must do everything that I do. Are you doing what I am doing?
Yes.
Can you follow directions? Can you watch and do everything that I'm doing? Paper folding is very, very intense, so we don't want to pull a muscle. So this is our body warm-up. It's a full body warm-up. Okay? I'm telling you, paper folding is very intense. Okay, now are you still watching?
Yes.
What are you doing? Same thing that I'm doing. I think I might have lost you. Okay, so your hands are like this. Up to the top. Over. Turn. Yes, and then clasp your fingers together. Okay. Well, you know, it's very hard. Watch me. Hands are like this.
Help, I'm burning.
Hands over and grab. Okay, so you guys are here. Are you squeezing tight? This part's important. Are you squeezing? I don't feel you squeezing. Squeeze. Hard. Okay, now, on the count of 3, we're going to untwist. 1, 2, 3. Untwist.
How? Wait, you cheated.
What?
You cheated.
You weren't paying attention. You weren't paying attention. I don't know if we're going to get through this, but we're going to try. Okay, so watch my paper. Pick up your paper and watch your paper very carefully. You don't want to get lost. The very first thing you do is you are going to fold it in half as a rectangle, edge to edge, so the long edges together. You guys didn't want to do one too? Don't be shy. I'm the shy one. Okay, and then, voila, you're done. Excellent. Origami 10. No, we're not done. Okay, pick it up. Open it. You're going to fold in half, edge to edge, short ends together. Does anyone need more time?
Yes.
Okay, take your time and hurry up.
Take the turn, but mine looks really good.
Oh, it is a magnificent piece of art right now. Okay, open it up. And now the short edges, we fold those towards the center, both ends, and just make sure that they do not overlap. So don't cross the center line. So you should end up with this.
This is what we used to do for social studies vocabulary.
Yeah, social studies vocabulary.
We did do that.
Yeah, in 4th grade.
Oh my god, we got it.
Because we put the word and the pictures and
The only goal I have.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. Okay, so the last step. You see the center of the paper?
yeah.
Okay. Along that pre-existing crease line, you're going to fold it in half.
What did we make?
So all the layers are folded inside. And believe it or not, you truly are done this time. What is it? What does it look like?
A book?
It could be a book. You know what? This book, you don't have to read it because it actually talks to you.
Owie!
So this is a simple paper banger. The open side catches the air, so hold it in the front, bottom end, and then the swift flick.
Oh, wow. Oh, mine did.
Oh, I don't know how to do this.
So are you guys still in 4th grade or have you moved on?
Oh, we're in 6th grade now.
Oh, in 6th grade. You can annoy your 6th grade teachers.
I got it.
I don't know how to do this.
You know, the 6th grade was my favorite.
Really?
I liked it so much. Yeah, I was, my favorite was
How does it work?
Second time.
Ah, this is so fun.
I think the folder
Hold it on the front end. That's the back. Hold it on the front. Nope. That's
Literally exactly the same.
Brennan, there you go. Swiftly.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. Okay, so you guys passed
How?
this test. And I think we can get through this project here. This three-piece project is what we're going to fold next. Did you hear? All I need is 5 hours of your time. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
I think I can book it in my schedule.
If you actually do want to fold this, grab 3 sheets of paper, one of them probably a green for the leaf and stem, and then you want one for the base, one for the tulip, okay? So grab a sheet of paper, I'll bring up more.